Hello my friends, Alena from Intense Memories like to share that mini album which is made from paper from Stamperia, and it's called Pink Christmas. Before I open that mini album, I ask you to subscribe my channel. I will be very appreciated if you will do it. And your comment really make me happy, and let's see what I did. That mini album have very different binding. I never see that binding on the internet, so it's not my idea. Long time ago, maybe 7 years, maybe more, 10 years ago, I get some workshop, and the lady who teaching there was from Spain, I think, and she showed us that binding. So album look like that, and on the back side is pocket with that mini tag from collection, and binding look like accordion. And that mini album is a little bit like shabby chic, I can tell. On the top, on the cover, I fussy cut Santa Claus and make some mountain behind him, and I make that mountain 3D, so I cut them 3 times. Also I fussy cut these roses, and that title said Merry Christmas, and I fussy cut roses, and I use glossy accent, a little bit pop, all of them. So the paper on the back side, I don't know, it's maybe 15 years ago I bought in America, so I don't know company. Let's open mini album. So on the back of the cover is Christmas card I made last year, and it's open like accordion, but if I pull that accordion I get also that Santa Claus that is all 12 inches. But if I turn that paper, here is other side of paper from Stamperia, and if I close it and turn more, here is pocket. Inside the pocket is little envelope from collection, and inside the envelope is that girl. Okay, and opposite is that bird with beautiful roses. So I put that inside the, and to not flies, I put that tag inside. So, but I can turn all, and I make pocket here with some booklet inside, and here I put photo mat for picture 10 by 15, and picture can be slide behind that fussy cutter bouquet. So that we have first. Its closure will be with that silver ribbon. I try to use everything what I found on my stash, so it's like that. Here I actually sew with thread that booklet. Next, again is sew, so when I turn, it's a little pocket, but here is a photo mat for photo 13 by 9. Same is opposite. And when we turn, next is that reindeer, and when I open that closure, we get back of that reindeer, but up is pocket with a little tag inside. Can be put also photos there. I close that, and when I turn, it's made pocket with that beautiful design from paper, and I put there that booklet with Christmas trees. I love that images of that skating girls, so I make them bigger, and when I open, I cut pocket here, and also I cut the skirt and make pocket with that tag, and closure is by magnet. And here is again booklet. Next page have just that design I fussy cut from paper, and behind can be photo. And when I open this, I just fold and sew that here and make pocket. So in pocket is that design paper, and here I make pocket on the bottom, and can be slides photo there. When I turn, it's similar here. It's that tag. When I turn that, it's some little booklet, and here we have teeny pictures, and behind that picture we can slide that tag or photos. When I open, it's place for photos in pocket. Oops. Also is place for photo here, and write something on that tag, and inside the pocket here is 2 tags from paper collection. And when I turn that, here I made some not envelope, I don't know name right now, and I put that card here, and we can put something more, and closure is by magnet. And then when I turn, I have to slide, fold all pages to make flat this page. It's 2 envelopes there. One have nothing inside, one have that Santa Claus. Closure is by magnet, and when I turn, closure by ribbon, we have pocket with photo mat inside, but when I turn flap up, it's place for photos here, and when I turn this up, it's again place for photo here, and also here behind the rabbit. So 1, 2, 3, and closure by ribbon. Oops. And last is that envelope closure is like that, and when I open is huge place for big photos. So I just make that booklet where we can write something, but can be slide more photos. So I hope I inspire you and you like my, it's not my idea, but you like my album. And of course the album on workshop were completely different, measure different, so that's what I usually doing. I never copy something I see on internet. I take some idea and then I make to a little bit different, because it's me and I like to design something different, always different. Thank you very much to visit my channel. If you subscribe me, you help me, and see you tomorrow with new card. Bye bye guys.